Are you looking for the highest payouts from ClickBank products? Well, they're right here. I've had them the entire time, and they're healthier than ever. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I made a little supplement pun. I'm such a pill. Got you. Now, if you're looking for your next winner, I'm going to share top 5 offers on ClickBank that are going to make you affiliates some serious money right now. Plus a few bonus offers at the end, so you're not going to want to miss it. And we put together a free cheat sheet with a suggested hook for each of these top offers. Yeah, we helped you. Yeah, Greg. And it's powered by ClickBank's excellent AI content tool, Ember. You'll find the link to grab in the cheat sheet down below in the description. And at number 5, we got Flat Belly Flush. It's new to our top offers rankings, and this product is a 21-day at-home workout system built around quick 10-minute routines that aim to switch off hidden hormonal barriers to weight loss and help customers rapidly flatten their belly. It focuses on low-impact, body weight movements that don't require hours at the gym. As a Flat Belly Flush affiliate, you benefit from a high-demand program designed for busy individuals who've struggled with traditional diets and workouts because the product has mass appeal for a massive audience. Also keep in mind that this is one of the few digital offers breaking into our Nutra category. Yeah, get it! So that means while the average payout is lower than what you'd normally see with a supplement, the conversion rate is roughly double what a typical supplement might have. Flat Belly Flush can be a great product to promote on its own or as a primer to warm up your ad account, dial in targeting before you move on to promote something more higher ticket, or something that converts really well and makes you a lot of money. So go visit the marketplace and learn about how this killer digital fat burning offer is gonna make you some cash. So let's talk about those numbers, shall we? It's got an EPC of 30 cents, an average payout value of $19.55, and a hot conversion rate of 1.64%. Now you're looking at those and be like, EPC is a little low. Like we said, these are averages. There are people who are making way more than that and getting a way higher conversion rate. This is a great offer. Usually when we see digital offers, there's a lot of email mixed in with it, so that's going to lower the EPC, but those who are doing paid, making some good cash. So go, promote it. Next up on our list, it is Prostavi. This is an all-natural powdered supplement designed to support prostate health because everyone has a prostate. Actually, no, that's wrong. 50% of people have a prostate, it's not 50. It's like 51%, 49%, and it kind of switches because it's like, it's odds. It's odds. It just goes. Anyway, this is an all-natural powder supplement designed to support prostate health, improve urinary function, and boost vitality for men over 40. So if that's your audience, you want to take a look at this one. Prostavi's easy-to-mix formula delivers potent ingredients in every serving. In terms of targeting, you can expect broad demand for Prostavi from men because that's who has prostates, but also maybe their partners as well. Now, let's talk some numbers. You can earn up to 80% commissions and benefit from an impressive payout of just under $150 with this offer. The funnel features an engaging VSL, high-performing upsells, and proven marketing resources that consistently deliver high conversions. So, what are you waiting for, man? Go to the marketplace and go get your resources and start promoting it right now. Go. Actually, no, stay. Wait, I got some numbers for you. EPC. 83 cents. Average payout value, $148.43. Hop conversion rate, 0.61%. Those are good numbers and it's working great on paid traffic, so go and promote it. So, we got a new one for you. It's with women's health, and it's at number 3, Primra, rolling right into the number 3 spot. Primra is an advanced supplement created by the minds behind Pelvic Floor Strong. It's designed to help women over 40 maintain a healthy bladder and live leak-free, which I promote because I'm an ally. With a proven track record in delivering real life-changing results, Primra empowers customers with ingredients that support the bladder, promoting freedom and comfort. As an affiliate marketer, you'll tap into Primra's lucrative 90% payouts, low refund rates, and a high EPC of more than $1. Primra's continuously optimized sales funnel will help you keep the profits rolling in. Plus, by promoting a product by a team with this record of success, you can be confident with your campaigns that they'll have the legs to scale. So visit the marketplace now and learn more about this offer, and let's talk about those numbers. It's got an EPC of $1.06, an average payout value of $138.70, and a hot conversion rate of 0.87%. I mean, damn. Yeah. That's a good offer. So go, promote it. Okay, let's take a quick pause and talk about you. Yes, you, Greg. Greg, you're not using our all-in-one funnel builder and landing page creator accelerator. Why aren't you? It's been there the whole time, right in front of your face. You've been thinking about, man, how can I get these offers really up and kicking? Well, let me tell you, Greg, accelerator. And if your name's not Greg, you can still use it. And it's amazing. It will help you scale up your affiliate business and get going, get moving. So go, click this button below, especially you, Greg. At number 2, we got AquaSculpt, and it is a 100% natural supplement formulated to help support healthy weight loss, maintain a slim figure, keep metabolism running healthy, and make you some good money. Its advanced blend of powerful ingredients can boost confidence by giving customers a reliable way to manage their wellness. And as an affiliate marketer, you can tap into the still booming wellness niche and earn generous commissions by promoting AquaSculpt as a compelling weight management solution. You'll appeal to customers seeking a convenient all-natural supplement and way to staying fit. Plus, you can benefit from AquaSculpt's truly remarkable $2 EPC. What? And an average payout value of nearly $190 and hop conversion rate well above 1%. So go to the marketplace now to discover more about AquaSculpt and start earning from this high demand offer because it's got an EPC of $2. Also, what? An average payout value of $187.51 and a hop conversion rate of 1.23%. My goodness. Seriously, if you are running paid media, you gotta be running this offer. It is phenomenal. And at number 1, drum roll please. Yeah, all right, here we go. It's time to pull back the curtain on our number 1 offer, and it is... It's Prime Bomb. You guessed it. You're right. You got me. I can't pull wool over your guys' eyes, man. You guys got this. You're good guessers. Man, you know, because Prime Bound continues to be a beauty supplement with a probiotic-based formula that supports gut and skin microbiome to combat wrinkles, dark spots, and acne. I'm not telling you anything you don't know. This unique offer uses medical-grade ingredients and a carefully tested formula to help women over 35 enjoy smoother, more radiant skin while improving the digestion and their weight management. As an affiliate, you benefit from an impressive $1 EPC, across diverse traffic sources like Facebook, email, native ads, YouTube, and you also get competitive commissions and an instant bump for proven volume. Why am I even telling you this? I mean, it's stuff that it's just built in your head, It's just why Prime Biome is the perfect offer to scale with. And I would tell you to visit the marketplace, but you're probably already there. And you're already getting all the great creatives, and you're already building the landers, and oh yeah, your campaign's already up. So I'm just gonna tell you what the EPCs are, but say it with me. $1.08. See, yeah, $1.08. See, you know it. An average payout value $151 and 24 cents. You said it before I got there, and hop conversion rate of 0.78%. Yeah, I know. You know it. Yeah, I know. I know you know it. I have to do this too. It's my job, okay? But you know it. So go, promote it. It's the best offer. It's great. You want it. So go. But don't go, because we got a few bonus offers. Bonus! We have 2 brand new offers to share with you, and I know you want to stay. Full disclaimer, these aren't fully tested or proven out like the other top 5 Nutra offers we just mentioned. But on the other hand, you could get on the ground floor with a future top offer, so both of these are definitely worth a look because the early signs of testing are really good. So, with that said, the first one you need to know about is Aria Leaf, which is an amazing new offer. It's a great supplement, and the numbers, they speak for themselves. And they got an EPC of $1.11, an average payout value of $154.51, and a conversion rate of 0.72%. And that's just out of the gate. Those are really good early signs of success. And you're going to want to get in on the ground floor. Remember what I just said earlier? I do. And you are going to want to go to the marketplace, go promote it, and get going on it before everyone else is promoting it and you see it at number 1 next month. So go and get it. And at number 2, we got Pharaoh's Nectar. It is a new gold supplement offer. Yeah, that's a crazy hook, and it works. And it's from a diamond level seller. You're going to want to promote it. Go check the marketplace. Go check it out. They even have a contest to get it started. So go promote it. Need a little help getting started? We put together a free cheat sheet with a suggested hook for each of these top offers. Yeah, we helped you. Yeah, Greg. And it's powered by ClickBank's excellent AI content tool, Ember. You'll find the link to grab in the cheat sheet down below in the description. And Of course, if you found the video helpful, and make sure to like and hit and subscribe and drop us a comment. Fun fact, I read every comment and cry over every single one, especially the ones you make in my shirt. It keeps me awake at night. Anyway, so keep an eye out for more top offers coming your way soon. Happy scaling, and go make some money, y'all. Go make some bank.